Hello, children. Welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Arts class. In today's class, our topic is drama construction processes. Drama construction processes. Introduction. Casting is the process of choosing the actors or actresses for a play production. Casting is a very important aspect of a successful play production and it has to be well. Rehearsal. Rehearsal is a form of practice in preparation for a performance. For example, music, dance, or drama. It is a form of preparation for a performance. The following are the personnel responsible for directing a play: producer, director, and choreographer. So, children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.